Epo-Set 400 is a rapid setting, two-part epoxy paste designed to reset equipment, fill cracks, and voids. It is dispensed using a standard caulking gun. The two parts are dispensed through a static mixing tube, forming a paste that reaches initial set in 5 to 10 minutes and hard set within 1 to 2 hours. Directions for use. First, remove the cap. Then remove the plug. Position the static mixing tube and place cap over the top. Place assembled cartridge with tube into standard caulking gun and engage. Prior application, dispense a small amount of the product out of the tube and discard. This will ensure the two-part Epo-Set is properly mixed. To set screws, fill void around loose bolt hole. Work epoxy down into the void with a flat-headed screwdriver. To secure the repair, place a piece of cardboard over the bolt and fasten with duct tape. After 10 minutes, the cardboard can be removed. After approximately 2 hours, the Epo-Set will reach hard cure and the repair is complete. Once the project is complete, remove the tube from the caulking gun, unscrew the cap and remove the static mixing tube and discard. Wipe off any excess at the end of the cartridge. Replace cap and plug. Unused Epo-Set 400 can be used again in the future, but a new static mixing tube will be required. Please remember to order additional static mixing tubes as needed.